Sadie. How are you? Are you going to help us with our science lesson today? Are you going to help us with our science lesson today? Oh, did you wink at us? Wink again. Can you wink? Come on, wink. Wink at me. Oh, there you go. It's my good girl. That's my good girl. All right. Sadie has absolutely nothing to do with our science lesson today. However, today's video is super, super short, so I thought I would just start with showing you my really, really, really cute dog. All right, here we go. So here's where you're watching the video for today. And so for Friday, you will reread the investigating forces that I read from Monday. So you'll just go back to these slides right here. This is going to help you with today's assignment, okay? So rereading investigating forces, I think it was 4 pages, which should be super, super easy. All right, come back down. And after that, you're going to complete the quiz on the next slide. Keep in mind that I am taking a completion participation grade on Mondays through Thursdays activities and slides. So everything that we've done so far, I'm taking a completion grade on. Now I look at it, and if you're putting a bunch of, crazy answers and pizza is yummy or whatever, that is not a completion and participation. Most students received a 100 last week for their completion or their participation for science and for math. I had a few students that just didn't do anything except for the assignment at the end. And even if you make 100 on the assignment at the end, and I give you a 0 for participation, that averages out to a 50, which is not passing, which is not cool. So make sure you're completing these slides. But then know that I'm also taking the pass-fail grade on the activity for today. So here is the activity for today. Here are the questions. Right in here, you have some vocabulary, 1, 2, 3, 4 vocabulary terms, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 answer choices. So right here, you'll be inserting text boxes with either A, B, C, or D. All right, and then over on this side, here's some identification. So here you're going to either use the word magnetism, you're going to use the word gravity, or the word friction, okay? So separating iron fillings from sand by using a special metal object. Would that be considered an example of magnetism, gravity, or friction? So here you will just insert a text box and you'll type in either magnetism, gravity, or friction, and the same for those questions right there as well. All right, and that is what we'll be doing today, and this is what I'll be taking the grade on. I'll figure out like a numerical grade for this, and that's what will go in the Google Classrooms gradebook. But then if you look in the gradebook, like on regular gradebook, like we always used to do, it'll be a P if you made a 70 or above, or an F if you did not. Just know that if you do not make a passing grade, that I will normally return it to you, and ask you to redo it so that you can do that. All right, so that is the end of our lessons for science for this week on force and motion. Hope you guys have a, hold on, where am I? There I am. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Miss you guys. Bye.